To import Shopify products from one store to another, follow these steps to transfer your products efficiently. Export products from the original store. Log into your Shopify admin of the store you want to export products from. Go to Products, All Products. Click on Export at the top right corner. Choose to export all products or select specific ones. Choose CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs as the file format and click Export Products. Download the CSV file. Once the export is complete, download the CSV file to your computer. Import products to the new store. Log into your new Shopify store and navigate to Products, All Products. Click on Import. Upload the CSV file you exported earlier from the original store. Ensure the file matches the required format, then click Upload and Continue. Review and adjust. After the import, check your new store's product listings. Make sure product details, images, and variants were transferred correctly. Adjust any settings as needed, such as pricing, inventory, and categories. Publish and sync. Once everything looks good, publish your products, and your new store will be ready to go with the imported products.